This is Joe Salemi with Fiber QA. Today we're going to show you an AVIT-DT LC Duplex video. This is our AVIT-DT. This is our automated visual inspection tool. This is our desktop model. It has a 5x5 inspection area, and we have different fixtures that can accommodate different connectors. This fixture is our LC Duplex fixture. It can hold 80 LC Duplex connectors or 160 LCs. The AVIT-DT can also take MPOs, horizontal, vertical. We can do mill circulars, 38999s, all different shell sizes, plug, receptacle. We can do EPX connectors. Pretty soon we're going to be coming up with a QSFP fixture for this, where we can hold approximately 12 handled QSFP connectors. So this is our AVIT-DT model. We're excited to show it. So for the purpose of the demo today, we're just going to do 2 LC Duplex connectors, so 4 fibers. We will do a full inspect, clean, inspect cycle. We've contaminated these fibers with skin oil, so then we're going to run it. You'll see the inspection, then the integrated cleaning will engage, and then it'll re-inspect. And then I will have my screen capture software so you can see the user interface and how easy it is to use. So I'm going to come over here and hit start. Okay. So over here on the left you have a part tree. We deselected since we're not doing the full fixture. But you have a part tree here where you can toggle between the different parts and see as they're coming in. Now we did contaminate these parts with skin oil. Okay. All right. Okay, now the other LC Duplex is being imaged. Okay, they're all failed. Now the cleaner is being engaged. So as we're waiting for the images to come up, you can see here this is the fixture selection up here on the GUI. Here is the test configuration we're using. We can load standard IEC tables. We can also add custom inspection criteria. You have a play button, an emergency stop button, gives you a little test progress. It also tells you how many cleans you have left, if the cleaner is starting to run low and you need to change it. We also have some other views, which I'll show once we're done with the inspect, clean and inspect. All right. You can see the images coming in. Nice. All right. So here's a part that was a failing part beforehand that was contaminated with skin oil. Our cleaner went in, engaged, cleaned the fibers, re-inspected. Now they're passing parts. Okay. Second LC Duplex, also contaminated with skin oil. Both were failing parts. We cleaned them, re-inspected. Now they're passing parts. Now, the operator doesn't have to sit here throughout the inspection cycle, especially if you're doing a fully populated fixture or a large row. You can come over here, start the test. The operator can get up, go do something else. We have some different views. You know, for a big production floor, we have the 50,000 foot view, where we have big fonts, you know, big green, big red, so you can see it from the other side of a plant floor, so the operator doesn't have to be sitting here babysitting the machine. Okay, here's our image and result screen. So you have all the metrology here. You have the fiber to the right. You have all the rules. If this was a failing part, you would see why it failed. You would see all the metrology, what rules it failed, what the measurements were that put it over or beyond a limit. All of this is fully archivable. This can be stored on a network drive. We have removable drive bays as well. Thank you very much, and follow us at fiberqa.com for more videos. Follow our blog. We're always posting new updates there. Thank you.